Hi, welcome to week 5. This week we're going to be talking about enterprise architecture and its importance and strategy for an IT system. So what we'll be doing this week is really taking a step back from a technology perspective and looking at what enterprise architecture means, why it's there, and how it relates to the strategy that you'd want to use to develop and maintain your IT services and systems for an organization. We will look at it from the context of actually developing, like looking at your business, what kind of enterprise architectures make sense based on the business model that you have. So we'll go through all of that. EA architecture as strategy is primary text that we'll use. We'll also be pulling some material from IT as strategy, which is another important book to say, all right, how do we really tie this to business objectives? Where enterprise architecture will look sort of technical, the other book will look really at how do we meet what we're trying to accomplish with the business. So typical kind of thing. Same this week. We'll have a discussion question in here. Look at the readings. Look at the presentation. Listen to the presentation. I'll kind of give you some pointers on it. Some key things that we want to know. Then read the presentation. There's some reading in both those books. We'll be doing an assignment, which will be taking what we learned and looking at how the Department of Defense does this. They've got a pretty good system, actually, from a engineering perspective on how to organize views of their architecture. So we're going to take a look at that and do a little assignment on that, and then quiz at the end of the week. So have a great week, and we'll